Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for anyone interested in understanding electrical systems: consumer unit overcurrent protection, RCD protection, and isolation. First things first. What exactly is a consumer unit? Also known as a distribution board or electrical panel, it's the nerve center of your home's electrical system. It houses various protective devices that ensure the safe distribution of electricity to different circuits. Here's what a typical consumer unit looks like. As you can see, it contains circuit breakers, fuses, and other crucial components. Now, let's talk about overcurrent protection. This is a critical safety feature designed to prevent excessive current flow that could lead to overheating and potential damage. There are two main types of devices used for this purpose: circuit breakers and fuses. First up, we have circuit breakers. These automatic switches trip when they detect an overload or a short circuit, cutting off the power to the affected circuit. On the other hand, we also have fuses. These devices contain a thin wire that melts when there's too much current, breaking the circuit and preventing further damage. Now, let's move on to RCD protection, a crucial element for safeguarding against electric shock and ensuring your safety. Residual current devices, or RCDs, are designed to quickly disconnect the electricity supply when they detect a leakage current to Earth. This is especially important in preventing accidents and protecting lives. RCDs come in different types, and they play a vital role in modern electrical installations. They can be fixed, portable, or socket-mounted, depending on the application. Lastly, let's talk about isolation, the ability to completely disconnect a circuit or equipment from the power supply. Isolation is crucial for maintenance, repairs, or any situation where you need to ensure that there's no electrical energy present. In a consumer unit, individual circuits can be isolated using switches or circuit breakers. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.